Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is two circles touch externally. The sum of their areas is 130 pi centimeter square. The distance between their centers is 14 centimeter. Find the radii of the circles. They touch externally. That means they touch like this. So let the radius of first circle be R1. Okay, and let the radius of second circle be R2. Now what is given? The sum of their areas, that means pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is 130 pi centimeter square, right? And the distance between their centers, that means R1 plus R2 is 14. So these two things are given to us. Now we will use this and find the radii of the circles. Pi in the first equation, I can take pi common. This will become 130 pi. This gets cancelled. So R1 square plus R2 square is 130. And what is R1 plus R2? That is 14. So now we will use the identity. Fine. Which identity we will use? A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Fine. Why we are using this? Because we have R1 plus R2. If I find R1 minus R2, I can solve the two equations simultaneously. Okay, we know how to solve simultaneously. So R1 plus R2 we know. So we will find R1 minus R2. To find R1 minus R2, I should know R1 into R2. That is R1 plus R2 whole square is R1 square plus R2 square plus 2R1 R2. Fine. With this, I will be able to find R1 R2, and that I will use to find R1 minus R2, which will come to know as we proceed. So R1 plus R2, 14 square is R1 square plus R2 square, that is 130 plus R1 R2. What is 14 square? It is 196, right? So 196 minus 130 is 2R1 R2.